Okay, update. My mom told me there's a secret carb stash in the house with everything that was too tempting and she wanted to hide it. Okay, allegedly it's in this closet. Oh yeah, jackpot.
You sure about that?
All right, carb haul, let's see what's in here. Starting off, mashed potatoes, I don't really like those. Okay, gluten-free cornbread mix. They literally have the same thing in the pantry, so I don't know why it's in here. Almond flour brownies. Yum. Chocolate chips, they used to be able to eat these, like with their diet, so I don't know why they aren't anymore. Panko. Gluten-free chocolate fudge brownies. Panko.
Police! Police! Help! Police! Help!
Skinny dipped almonds. Gluten-free crackers. Vegan mac and cheese. Chickpea pasta. Okay, a normal one. Penne. Cornbread. These, I eat these. More chickpea pasta. Wow. Everything I ever wanted. This is everything I'm keeping.